Babe, you're so cute. Hi. What did you want to get? Because I wanted to get oranges for sure and lemons. Yeah, I do. Just a little bit though. I don't want all that much, you know? I feel like you have to fill it up all the way kind of thing.
The horses have balls to play with.
Balls to play with?
Yeah.
Oh. That is cool. No, it's really pretty because that one down there, it has more trees and stuff.
Yeah. That is pretty.
Yeah. They're kind of like on the bottom, you know?
Yeah.
These are cute. They're much more better made. They look softer.
Because they get the sunlight?
Yeah. This is a big lemon. What are we going to do here?
Make some good cocktails. Okay, so this is all lemons, right?
Yeah.
I think we got enough lemons.
Yeah, we got enough for lemonades and stuff like that because we wanted kind of like lemons and then a lot of oranges, I guess. And then just like a few pomegranates.
Well, because you like those.
The grapefruits, yeah.
Yeah. You like grapefruits in the mornings, and how much better than fresh, you know?
Yeah, that's true. You look so pretty, babe. I love the pink on you.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks like I dressed you.
It's core.
My hand itches.
Yeah, mine does too.
I know.
Delicious.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some of that fresh honey though.
Okay. You would like it, right?
Yeah. You know they're from Washington, right? The bees. Where are we going?
So
Oh yeah, look at your map. What are we grabbing now? Pink. They're interesting. I don't know. Probably the taste.
that one? Okay, perfect. Let's take it. You're so cool, baby.
Then we'll fill it up with oranges and then we'll be done.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it. Yeah, they don't really have the big ones that we usually buy.
Yeah. That's what happens when they're organic, though.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Here. I want to try one. My dad always made us try food.
No, do not do
No.
No.
I think we can, though.
You're gonna have citrus all over you.
Oh,
Your hands are gonna be all dirty.
really?
You got a runner.
Fallen.
Huh?
They're all fallen.
They're all falling.
Let's go this way. I'm like, don't leave me. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. Really? I would do that. Yeah, of course. I think that's so fun.
You want to try one of these? Or just a little one?
I don't care, whichever you want. If you're getting one, at least get like the jar already or something.
Okay, yeah, we'll get the jar then.
Yeah. It was so beautiful here, and this was such a fun experience. We've never been citrus picking until now, so we had a lot of fun. This farm was called Cotton Lane Citrus Honey, and it's located in Surprise, Arizona. It was very clean, and everyone was really nice. For lunch, we are heading to Blanco Tacos. They have a few locations in Arizona. I first discovered this place when I visited Arizona for the first time, and I fell in love, so we come here pretty often. Thanks. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
That looks so good. I haven't had that in forever. That corn.
Are you gonna have one of my fish tacos?
Can I try one actually?
Yeah.
Where is it? Is it this
It's
one?
like one of these two.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's very good, babe.
It is. It's very, very,
Very
good.
good. Yeah, just wait for me.
I'll be nice.
I had the barbecue pork tacos, and it comes with rice and beans, but I went ahead and subbed out the beans for corn, and I got my tacos on corn tortillas. Look at all the beautiful citrus fruits we brought back home. We mainly got navel oranges and lemons and just a few grapefruits. I went ahead and sliced each fruit in half just so you could see what they look like inside. So fresh. To make the lavender syrup, I use 1 cup of water and sugar and then just like a half tablespoon of dried lavender flowers. And I bring it to a boil and stir it until the sugar dissolves. And then just let it cool down and strain it into a clean mason jar. Now to get started with the lemonade, I go ahead and use 1.5 lemons for 1 serving, and I add 1 cup of water that's cold from the fridge, and then I go ahead and add 1/4 cup of lavender syrup and then fill it up with ice. And you can work around with the measurements to your desired tasting. If you like it sweeter, you can add more syrup, or if you like it more lemony or more watered down, just work around with the measurements. We are doing a taste test for all of the citrus fruit that we got. I got a navel orange and then a red grapefruit, and the other grapefruit that I have is a pink grapefruit. We went ahead and started off with the navel oranges first. Probably not a wise choice because the grapefruit is much more sour, but the orange was really good and sweet. It's probably like the most sweetest orange we've had.
You like this stuff?
That one is kind of sour though. I think this one's going to be better.
That's horrible. I don't like the aftertaste of those.
But they're good.
Yeah.
That one's like really good for you. Because like for weight loss, love it. Let's see the color of it. Ooh, that looks good. That looks really good. It's super fresh. That's why it's like running. Okay.
I want it.
Taste test. We both loved the honey. It was really fresh, but I do have a favorite that I already have in my pantry. And I love when my honey crystallizes. It just tastes like candy to me and it's so delicious. So I can't wait until this one sits for a little bit.